So today we have taken a book which is a biography about the forgotten footballer, and who is none other than Tulsidas Balaram. So he was a key member of India's gold-winning Asian Games football team of 1962. Here, the author of the book, Sudipta Biswas, has portrayed Balaram as a distinguished player, as he was the integral part of the team along with the legends like PK Banerjee and Chunni Goswami. He was known for his fierce determination because during that time India's football administrative landscape was often fraught with political interference, because of which he was denied Padma Shri. Government even deemed him ineligible for any civilian awards. But Balaram always maintained his integrity and refused to compromise his principles, even facing opposition and setbacks. Right? So we can quote this personality in the essay writing and ethics answer writing, where we need to portray somebody for their determination, for their dedication towards the team. Then the author Sudipta Biswas also portrayed the leadership role of the coach Syed Abdul Rahim. Then the situation was that the team which went to play the Asian Gold, it suffered injuries. There were illness to the key players. Moreover, there was a hostile reception from the Indonesian sports lovers. But the coach played its leadership role. The coach Syed Abdul Rahim kept the team very focused and inspired all the players to win the gold. And it also portrayed that how Rahim's passionate pre-match speech in the dressing room, it boosted the confidence of the players. And again Rahim, how he stayed strong despite being ravaged by cancer and being denied the Padma Shri for his splendid contribution to the Indian football. So this case study, this personality, we can easily quote wherever we are getting a chance to write with the keywords like leadership, dedication, determination. So these unique examples will fetch you more marks because these examples will be known to less people. So when you are coming up with some unique examples apart from Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, or any other personality, then you will be fetching more marks. You will be rewarded with more marks. So please make note of these case studies. We are discussing many case studies through our news Simply Put videos. So please make note of all these examples and use them, apply them in your answer writing. You will see the difference in the marks in the test series and also in the UPSC. Until then, goodbye, take care, happy learning.